If you're leaving home without these few things when you're going out full driving, then I'm going to consider you bloody crazy. The first one being a UHF. You can have one that's in the car permanently, or you can have a handheld one. Either or, there's plenty of budget-friendly options out there. I prefer GME, Australian made, Australian owned, and they know what they're doing. So you've got to your track, you've got to drop your tyre pressures, but what are you dropping them down to? How do you know what you're dropping them down to? More importantly, how are you actually dropping them down? You're going to need a tyre deflator, something with a gauge, something that lets air out of your tyres. There's a whole different range of options out there. I personally use the MaxTrax Indeflate, allows me to do 2 tyres at the same time. Can also use it with my compressor to pump them back up 2 at the time too. So you'll let your tyres down before hitting the tracks, but now you need a way to pump them back up before you get home. The answer is a compressor. Now you don't need an onboard one that's expensive like this one here, but there's plenty of other budget options out there that just connect to your battery and are external, so don't let your budget deter you away from getting a compressor. Go get a compressor. So you got yourself bogged. Don't worry, it happens to all of us at some point in time, but do you have a set of MaxTrax? I bet not. Easiest way to get yourself unbogged, whether it's solo or with a convoy. Use them for track building, and best thing yet, it's only 250 bucks for the 2. Best 250 bucks you ever spend, and hey, might even save your car one day.